Hey guys, so in today's up close unboxing, we have my Envy box of the month of July, and I'll very quickly take you through this box. I'll show you what's inside. I just received it like 5 minutes back in the mail, so I haven't even opened it. So this is the July beauty box, and here's a little colorful card which explains all the products with the prices. And then of course a product over here and a lot of decoration over here. So I'm just gonna take this thing off now. Where do I put this? Okay, and let me show you what I have. Okay, so I think the first product to talk about should be this because it looks like the biggest product in the box. And let me focus the camera on this. Okay, so this is something from a brand called Cocoon. Cocoon Eternal Youth Smart Night Serum Intense Repair. I hope you guys can see it. Okay, so this is a intense repair smart night serum, and it retails for rupees 599. Let me see what's in this box. Okay, so this is basically a night serum, guys, and it's a night serum which is for youthness, eternal youth. Okay, so this is the Cocoon Eternal Youth. Sorry, I'm repeating myself. I'm actually a little confused right now. Cocoon Eternal Youth Night Serum. Okay, and this one retails for rupees 599. It's a 30-gram pump bottle. Yeah, 30-gram pump bottle. Next I have something. Sorry. Next I have something from a brand called. This is called Myoho. I hope that's how it's pronounced. Myoho. And this is a face mask. It's a 40-gram face mask worth rupees 380. Looks green in color. And oh, it contains green clay. Let me take you through the ingredients. These are interesting actually. Okay, yeah, so it contains green clay, sunflower oil, fruit extract, etc. etc. Sounds interesting. So that's definitely a new brand. I've never heard of this brand before. Both of these are actually new brands for me. Don't judge me, guys, if you've already heard of these brands or they're really popular. Okay, I've definitely heard of Vert and I have used Vert products before. So this is the Vert Tranquil Solid Perfume. Oh my god, I love solid perfumes. I just love them. I can smell it from here. It has a very nice scent. So this is the Vert Solid Perfume, and this 10-gram jar, it's worth rupees 1300. I think that's pretty luxurious. This is a perfume worth rupees 1300 and it's a Vert Solid Perfume. And then we have some sample size products, so I'll very quickly take you through them. Okay, sorry, wait, focus the camera. Okay, so this is anatomic, no, what's happening to my pronunciation today? Anatomical Smoother Butts Love Coconuts. Okay, coconut mango body lotion. Okay, so this is a mango body lotion, especially for smoother butts. I think that's what it's called. Oh, hence the name Anatomicals. Okay, that's interesting. I've never, heard of or used anything like this before. This one is a 10 ml sachet worth rupees 65. The 100 ml bottle or jar or container would cost you rupees 650. Okay, that was easy math. I should have been able to tell that, without without reading the card. Okay, so this is from Anatomicals. I think this is from the same brand. Okay, and this is the Buff Stuff. Okay, the Buff Stuff citrus body scrub. Okay, so this is a citrus body scrub, and oh god, I'm so sorry. Okay, the price, no, not sorry, the price of both these sachets is exactly the same. 65 rupees for 10 ml. 100 ml would cost you 650. And finally I have with me the Era Insta Shield. Okay, this one I've actually heard of before. I think I've even used an Era product before from a subscription box. So this is an Era Insta Shield. What is this? I think this sounds like a sun protection thing. Prevents and reduces dark spots. Okay, I think this would be very useful for a lot of my viewers. Let me focus the camera. Okay, so it prevents, reduces dark spots and things like that. And this is a photo aging cream from Era. This is a 3-gram sachet. A full size 50-gram product would cost you rupees 789. Alright. Oh, okay. I'm sorry, guys. My nails are looking like this. I didn't even realize it throughout the video. I was actually just doing a DIY. That DIY will be up on Superstar very soon, by the way. So yeah, that's what happened to my nails. Anyway, so guys, this is what I got in my envy box for this month. A lot of new brands, and I was struggling with the pronunciation throughout. Definitely excited to try these out because these are new brands. Definitely helps me learn more about the stuff out there. Sorry, and guys, I'll share the Envy Box website link in the description box below if you want to get an Envy Box by yourself. It's definitely a good box. I think the products are worth a lot of money. Just the solid perfume is worth rupees 1,300, and then a lot of other things. So this box is worth a lot more than what you actually pay for. Also a great gifting option, just like I think in case of all subscription boxes. So yeah, that's the July Envy box. Let me know in the comment section below what you think about it and if you would be buying this one or not. If you've already bought this, please share your feedbacks, your reviews, and I'll get back to you again very very soon next time. Actually very soon on Superpower Style because of the DIY. I'm really sorry about how my nails are looking, guys. I'm so embarrassed. So yeah, bye bye. Bye.